Could you bottle it up? Get down to the heart of it. No, it's my heart. You shit out of your love. Don't make me tell you again. Woo! Love, love, love. Hey. Love, 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 love. I do it for love. Love, love, love. Do it for. Yeah, do it for.
Hi guys, and welcome to my new video. Today I'll be seeing what people offer for Ride Blue Dog. Blue Dog is the first pet that came to adopt me along with a pink cat, and in my opinion it would be worth more than a neon legendary. By the way, I'm sorry for my bad English, I'm still learning how to pronounce right. In the trailer of Royal Forest I was using my voice, and it was kinda voice reveal, so I decided to do the video where I'll be talking the full video. I hope you will like it. So about the series Royal Forest, I'm not sure if I'm gonna film it because I'm still learning how to pronounce English and my school is starting soon and not a lot of people got interested in it. We are almost in Adopt Me Island and we are gonna see what people offer for a blue dog. Here's the first trade request. These pets are really cool, but it's under and I will not do this trade. I lost space in my phone for videos, so I decided to screenshot it, and in my opinion it is kinda bad trade. It's under, in my opinion. I think you need to add a little bit more because Griffin is not that rare, and I think you should bring that big. So yeah guys, that was it for this video. If you want to see me going to the richer server where I trade Blue Dog to see what people offer for it, comment down below, and in the next video I could be opening the golden egg because I'll get it soon. Bye guys, have a nice day and see you soon.